Good morning. Good morning, Miss Shafa. Today, I want to do an oral presentation of UE 50032 Communication English. Lecturer name Miss Shafawati Noor Hafiza Anna Adil. My name is Kokan Sin. My metric number is 01DP19F1050. My title is 10 principal causes of death medically certified Malaysia 2017 and 2018. My vertical is the number of deaths and my horizontal is the principal causes of death. This legend, the light color is 2017, the dark color is 2018. This graph shows the deaths on the 10 principal causes death of the medically certified at Malaysia in 2017 and 2018. The vertical axis represents the number of the I say already. The 10 principle is actual ischemic heart disease, pneumonia, cerebrovascular disease, transport accident, malignant neoplasm of trachea, bronchus, and lung, chronic lower respiratory diseases, malignant neoplasm of breast, malignant neoplasm of colon, rectum, and anus, hypertensive diseases, diabetes mellitus. Based on the number of deaths, it can be seen that in 2017, the most of the deaths caused by is by ischemic heart disease. Uh, so, 13,503 and 12,365 deaths caused by pneumonia, 6,878 deaths caused by cerebrovascular diseases, 4,499 deaths caused by transport accidents, 2,251 deaths caused by malignant neoplasm of trachea, bronchus, and lung, 1,927 deaths caused by chronic lower respiratory diseases, 1,166 deaths caused by malignant neoplasm of breast. 1,511 deaths caused by malignant neoplasm of colon, rectum, and anus. 1,263 deaths caused by hypertensive diseases. 1,017 deaths caused by diabetes mellitus. The number of deaths at Malaysia who caused by ischemic heart diseases in 2018 year was higher by 4,463 than those who caused by pneumonia. On the other hand, the number of deaths at Malaysia who caused by diabetes mellitus in 2018 year was higher by 730 deaths than who those caused by hypertensive diseases. In 2017 at Malaysia, 28.79% of deaths caused by ischemic heart diseases, while 2.17% of deaths caused by diabetes mellitus. The number of deaths who were gut body diseases, the 10 principal causes in 2017, increased substantially from 442 and 42,401 to 56,297 in 2018 year. Meanwhile, the number of deaths who were get transport accidents, the 10 principal causes in 2017 year, decreased slightly from 4,499 to 4,391 in 2018 year. Based on this graph, it can be concluded majority of deaths on the 10 principal causes death of medically certified at Malaysia had increased. So we need to have a health life on our lifestyle. That's all. Thank you. Finish.